SIBS International Bilingual School, we wish for every student to develop into well-rounded, responsible and caring members of the community. Students who are successful, resilient and independent learners. At SIBS, it's what happens inside the classroom that sets us apart and makes us unique, leading our students to be 21st century learners and future leaders. 21st century learning centers around collaboration and developing critical thinking skills.
Working together on projects that we are focused around things we are interested in. We are given a real purpose for our learning. We learn through inquiry to understand how things work, grow, and live. We also learn to help others, our community, and our school. We are given a real-life opportunities to apply our knowledge, which allows us to take ownership over our learning.
Developing our school and having state-of-the-art facilities is done with our students in mind. This year, we built a STEM lab in our primary school and a STEAM lab in early years.
STEM lessons inspire us to expand our thinking and problem-solving skills. It's a journey of self-discovery, asking questions and doing fun experiments.
Our one-to-one iPad program sets the platform for innovative learning. It gives students the opportunity to use technology across the curriculum.
Having access to an iPad helps us to research information, make presentations, and work on projects with our friends who learn new skills all the time.
At SIBS, we value community and collaboration. We encourage our staff and our students to work together continuously to create and maintain a positive school culture.
In our classrooms, we know that our teachers care about us. We know it is okay to make mistakes, and that our teachers and peers will be there to support us, so we can grow as learners and individuals. We enjoy being part of a vibrant international school community.
Learning at SIBS is a union of an academic program combined with engaging extracurricular activities in art, sport and digital literacy. Engaging students in a range of activities creates memories and an exciting and memorable school life.
I have done badminton, basketball, football, taekwondo and STEM ECAs. There are a lot of ECAs to choose from at SIBS. My favorite ECA are badminton and football.
We have decided to send our children to SIBS and we couldn't be happier about our choice. Our children are excited to come to school every single day. We know SIBS prepares and enables our children with skills that are very much needed in the 21st century.
SIBS International Bilingual School offers the Cambridge International curriculum from early years to secondary. Our school community forms part of local and expat families, giving opportunity to our students to embrace diversity. We look forward to you joining us at our Student Showcase.